Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a casting by Matchbox which is new for 2025 and it's Blaze Blaster 3. It's a electric fire truck, and if I'm not wrong it's not based on any actual truck, it's a casting by Matchbox, kind of a fantasy casting. They also did a Blaze Blaster 2 which I have. I'm not sure if there was a Blaze Blaster 1 because I don't have that. But yeah, so this is new for 2025. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Blaze Blaster 3 out of its box. Few noticeable things. These wheels we have seen on different Matchbox recently. They're trying to make hubcaps and they look alright here. It's not a true 1:64 casting, obviously. It's just a 3-inch casting. There are some good details. Even on the side you can see the step. You can see these which kind of adds an anchor, I would say. They go on the ground and you can just fix it there. I don't know if there's some kind of tools here. You can see the door. Obviously the windows are in blue, which I don't think that's on actual truck, but there is a mirror in good detail. Coming to the front, I think these are the headlamps. It's an electric grill, so no opening for grill. It's an electric truck and blue windshield, but it has got 3 windshield wipers. You can also see the other mirror. Some lamps on the top, again they're not detailed. Coming to I'm assuming this is passenger side. Again, some good details here. You can see the logo. You can see the number TN27. I think that's the number for the vehicle. You can see the step on the side. Again, the anchor thing we talked about. And there is Hybrid Hope SY4, I think. I might be pronouncing it wrong. On the rear, again, I'm assuming this is for the tail lamp. I'm assuming a lot of things because it's not an actual truck which you can see on the road. Now, I like the details here, which kind of mimics actual, steel plate with diamond design. Looks good. You can also see the emergency lights on the top, which flashes. One thing which is good here, a good detail obviously for a mainline. This moves. So that's a good detail. You can see it moves ladder. And if you move it underneath, you can see there are some more details here. I think this is for operating. I'm not sure. But you can see other plastic parts underneath. So I don't have a reference point to compare to original truck. That's why I'm missing a lot of things. But again, it's a good casting. For a mainline, it looks good. Good detail. And I think Hotwheels is doing a good job because I think they also did a dump truck based on the same kind of truck, and I'll try to add that video to this one. But yeah, I think it's a good casting. Again, depends on your choice. If you're not into some of this fantasy casting, you definitely won't want it. But if you like these little experiments from Matchbox, they look good. They don't look weird out of the world stuff, but yeah, I like it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.